Welcome to the Mayhem! Came from the bottom of a pit with a vision. Now I'm in the booth and I'm breaking collision. Everybody wanna talk with a lack precision. I attack with a rhythm that'll crack the ceiling. Darkness in the mind of a monster alive. I survived every night from the lies and the pride of a ride with a fire in my eyes. When I glide every line like a riot. When I grip at the mic, too quick, too slick, too vicious. Blueprint, criminal linguistics. Whole clip move like misfits. Cold, sick, flow, so sadistic. Everybody freeze when the baseline drop. Head rush hit when the train don't stop. Clock grow when we're saying when the flames erupt. I don't really think anybody built for us. I got venom in the vocals, rage in the chest. Every syllable hit like a blade to the neck. I was made for the war, never trained to rest. And the whole damn gang get erased when I step back up. I don't wanna hear another fake tough rapper. Everybody wanna bark till a real wolf capture. Put a whole track flat in a black dust bag when I spaz with the pattern. Digital mayhem, wired insanity. Run through the static and shatter reality. Everybody looking terrified rapidly when I ignite and attack with brutality. Digital mayhem, breaking the system alive. Everybody run when the speakers erupt and the beast inside arrive. Digital mayhem, lost in the code tonight. When the bass hit hard and the lights go dark, we bring in the storm to life. Digital mayhem, nobody's safe when we ride. Too fast, too wild, too dangerous now. Better stand aside. Digital mayhem, chaos amplified. We don't slow down, we don't back out. We survive the night. I got mechanical rage in the bloodline, blackout bars with a flow like a landslide. Everybody wanna claim they can outrhyme, then I unload and they fold in the punchline. I'm built different, no limit, cold-blooded, whole crowd jump when the drums start thumping. No discussion, destruction incoming, kick down doors when the darkness summon. Too much energy trapped in the frame, too many enemies back in the day. Now I'm center stage, bringing pain to the fate, turn the whole venue into ash and flames. Watch me rapid attack with a venomous cadence. I don't even think that they're ready to face this. Every time I spit, it's a chemical matrix. Everybody panic when the bass get dangerous. I came from a place where the nights stay cold. People lose hope and their hearts turn stone. Now I weaponize pain every time I flow. Turn trauma into gold when I enter the zone. Boom bap mixed with a cybernetic riot. Mind of a king, but the moves stay violent. Whole squad move in the dark so silent, then explode when the war drums tighten. I don't break out of depth and evolve. Every setback made the anger resolve. Now I stand like a threat when I step through the fog like a cyberpunk beast with electric jaws. Digital mayhem, breaking the system alive. Everybody run when the speakers erupt and the beast inside arrive. Digital mayhem, lost in the code tonight. When the bass hit hard and the lights go dark, we bring in the storm to life. Lights flicker, bass trigger, crowd jump. Heartbeat sync with the kick and the snare drum. Hands high when the whole room vibrate. No escape when the chaos detonate. Go, go, go. Everybody lose control. Go, go, go. Welcome to the overload. Go, go, go. I'm on the problem. I'm on the locked in attack mode. Black hoodie with a mind full of black smoke. Every track overload when the wrath grow. Turn the calm room into collapse zones. No mercy in the bars I deliver cold hard dark heart soul of a killer whole crowd shake when the floorboard shiver was born for the storm. I don't fear no pressure. Move with the militant rhythm and strike fast. Anybody wanna test get bypassed. I don't really get the build for the impact. One verse leave a whole squad detached. Running through the night with adrenaline engine and the chest keep revving again. Every time I spit it's a sedative event for competitors dead in the head from the venomous wind. I transcend every limit they set. Every minute I'm a threat when I enter the set. Too driven to quit, too sick to regret. I was built from the fire electric unrest. This for the outcasts, rebels and beasts. Everybody who was told they would never succeed. Now we rise from the dirt.